To apply press-on nails with stick pads, first ensure your press-on nails match your size perfectly, as this is key to preventing them from falling off. Then, use the cuticle pusher from your kit to remove any dead skin on your nails, ensuring the stick pad can fully cover your nail. Use the pink side of the mini file to gently file your nails, removing any remaining dead skin. This step is crucial, especially if you have vertical ridges on your nails, as it also enhances the stick pad's adhesion. Wipe away any dust and oils on your fingers with an alcohol pad. Select the right size stick pad and apply it about 1 millimeter away from the nail edge. Use your finger or the cuticle pusher to remove any air bubbles. The elimination of air bubbles and gaps is what makes the stick pad adhere more firmly to your nail, making this step important. Can't find the perfect size stick pad? No problem. Layer 2 stick pads on your nail for complete coverage. You can heat the stick pad with a hairdryer for about 10 seconds to soften it and improve its stickiness. While it's still warm, attach the press-on nail at a 45-degree angle, about 1 millimeter from the base, and press it downwards. Hold it in place for about 20 seconds, and you're done. After applying, don't do anything with your hands, especially avoiding water, for an hour.